Hi, welcome back to the channel on the college process once again. I'm Ed from Principia Prep, and today we're going to be going over the latest news on the student loan forgiveness front. But before we begin, if you are new to the channel and are looking for additional college content, please hit the subscription button down below. It will notify you when new videos do come out. As well as if you have any comments or questions about today's video, please leave them down below in the comment section. I do answer all your comments and questions you guys leave down below in the comment section. As well as if you do enjoy today's video, please leave us a like. It does help the channel. As well as we are running for the 22-23 senior high school class academic year. This year we are running again the James Russo Memorial Scholarship. If you want to be eligible for the scholarship, very simple. Just watch the video. Down in the description is the link here to explain how to apply for the James Russo Memorial Scholarship for this year's senior class of 22-23. Also down below in the description as well is also our organization's Venmo as well as our Buy Us a Coffee if you want to help support the channel, allowing us to keep making these college videos for you guys out there. And all that being said, let's jump right into today's video, the latest news on the student loan forgiveness front. So basically, with just 2 months left of this federal student loan forbearance period left before the end of August ends and then the student loans go back in repayment, let's talk about what we expect is going to happen over the next couple of months here, as well as what you guys should be doing out there, and basically the timeline and things you should be considering and doing at this point in time. Now, right off the bat, the forbearance period, which was meant to be a temporary situation back when they started this whole thing, the federal student loan forbearance back in March of 2020, has now been extended 6 different times now. Now, of course, since March 2020, they have given basically the U.S. Department of Education, the administration, Congress, and everything else, they have forgiven, believe it or not, hundreds of millions of dollars in student loan debt to students that were not able to get it through the public service federal student loan forgiveness program who were eligible for it, as well as students that were either defrauded through for-profit colleges. So they have actually given away, in a sense, or actually have forgiven essentially billions and billions of dollars essentially in federal student loans there. So the administration has in a sense been helping out a lot of students out there. Now I know that doesn't cover all of us here as far as the student loan holders out there, as far as some of you guys watching today, but it has shown a track record that the administration is looking to and is trying to forgive as much student loan debt as possible as they can. And what I believe is going to happen is after they take care of the gassage situation, hopefully work on some of the inflation issues and some of the other world issues happening in the world, they're going to kind of basically circle back here to the student loan forgiveness program and start giving us more insight and give us hopefully some ideas of what they're going to do here very soon in the near future here. Now we believe the news will be coming at the end of July because it kind of marks the same pattern every time we get to about a month or so before things are supposed to kind of come to an end, they come out with news. And we believe one of 2 things is going to happen. Number one, we believe they're going to extend again the federal loan forbearance from August 31st, at least until either November or December, which for us, believe it or not, is a great situation for everyone out there. And let me explain why another extension would be a great situation for everyone out there. Right at the bat, number one, it gives people more time to start paying down the federal student loan rates at a 0% interest rate. Second reason is a good thing, if you're an older parent and have a Parent Plus loan, if you do pass away as a debt holder or you are disabled and unable to work, that loan is essentially forgiven. So the more forbearances that happen for the older parents out there holding the federal Parent Plus loans, the better it is for you guys, because the longer time frame you pay off those loans, the longer you have, the more likely it is you're not going to be paying off all this loan. So in a weird way, you'll be getting federal student loan forgiveness either by not being able to pay back the loan through disability or if you pass away. So in a sense, you create your own federal student loan forgiveness. So every extension that happens, the older parents that have the federal Parent Plus loans, the better it is for you guys out there, believe it or not. And for the students and the parents out there that are not old, up in age, it's helpful for you guys as well because it also helps you guys pay down the student loan debt down to those $10,000 numbers the administration keeps talking about that they're looking to forgive. And of course, the administration has come out the last couple of weeks and indicated this as well. They are looking to essentially, use that either $10,000 number as well as they're really highly considering doing another extension. So option number one, if they do an extension, helps out a lot of people. The people that have to bring down their debt as much as they can to the $10,000 level, as well as the older parents because it gives you more time. And of course, this does mark their pattern of basically extension. Remember, they've already done 6 extensions already, so doing a 7th extension would not be out of the realm of possibility here. Now, the second option here obviously is if the administration comes out and says they are going to do loan forgiveness at this point in time, either in August or September, right at the tail end when the repayments come back into effect. Now, if they are looking to do it, the administration, as I said before, has been indicating across the board they're looking to give away $10,000 of loan forgiveness. And once again, across the board to me means both student loans, federal student direct loans and Stafford loans, as well as Parent Plus loans. And of course, they are indicating and have indicated there's going to be an income threshold here for option number 2 if they step up and do the loan forgiveness at some point in time in the next month or so. Where they're indicating for the income side of this, they are looking for income limits of individuals making $125,000 to $150,000, as well as couples making $250,000 to $300,000. That's kind of the threshold here where it comes to tax return, essentially income, adjusted gross income in many cases here when it comes to the income side. Now, those families out there that are looking for or assuming that maybe in the realm of possibility the $50,000 off of federal student loan options is available, they're not going down this road. I've said this from the beginning. Over 2 years ago, essentially, I've been saying there's no way they're going to give away $50,000 per person. The number is just way too high. And administration and Biden and everyone else has already come out. Congress has indicated there's no chance they're going to do $50,000. So if there's those looking for additional or higher levels above the $10,000, that would be beneficial if they went $10,000 and up. But it's very likely it's going to be $10,000 or somewhere in the realm of $10,000 of student loan forgiveness. The $50,000 I don't think was ever realistically on the table, to be honest with you. So now that we know that the options are very likely going to be either extension or automatically do the loan forgiveness, and I do believe it or not, they are not going to do the loan forgiveness just yet. They're going to do another extension, very likely. I very much think they're going to kind of push off the loan forgiveness for a minute and do another extension here. But that being said, it doesn't mean the only thing you guys are looking to do is just pay down your federal loan debt. Another thing all of you out there should be doing is if you have private student loan debts through the private companies or any state student loan debts as far as NJ class or any of the other state loans you have out there, what you guys need to do immediately right now is refinance that debt. The reason you need to refinance that debt is because even though interest rates are rising, they are expected to go even higher. And obviously if you have high rates of interest rates on your private loans or your student state loan debt from before, you need to get it refinanced before the interest rates get any higher and you're not able to refinance. Now, we did have a video, as you can see right here, about the refi companies and which ones to utilize. So we do have specific ones we do believe are better for you than others. So if you are looking to refinance, once again, we do have this video here. In the description down below is a link to the video that explains to you guys who are the best refi rates out there, who will give you the best options to lower your rates and make it easy for you guys, and how the whole refinance process works for the private lenders as well as the state lenders. I would not refinance right now any federal loan debt. I would only refinance the private as well as the state loan. And all that being said, if you guys have any questions about the student loan situation or loan forgiveness or anything else, whether it be refinancing and so on and so forth, obviously you guys can leave me comments down below in the comments section, as well as if you do enjoy today's video, please leave us a like. And if you need additional one-on-one help, on the screen is my contact information. I do meet with families on Zoom one-on-one to kind of go over your case, your situation, to figure out where you are both on the financial aid end, student loan situation, and admissions. If you need help, that's my cell phone number. You can either email me, call me, or text me. We can set up a meeting and I can look to help you guys out in your situation. And other than that, thank you for watching today's video. Once again, my name is Ed from Principia Prep.